Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to fix the issue of not having notes feature on your Instagram. The steps are easy, so make sure to follow. Now just open your Instagram app and you click on the messenger option right here, the messages option I mean. You can see that there's a note option. Just have to click that and enter the note that you want. But if you don't have this feature, then I'm going to help you solve it. So of course, you're just going to have to go back to uh, home and click on your Play Store or App Store, no matter depends on the device that you use. And since this is a new feature, you're gonna have to make sure that this is updated. If there's no update button, that means it's updated. Now if this doesn't fix the issue, we're gonna have to do a second option to try and fix the notes issue. Just click on your profile right here at the bottom right part and click on the three lines at the top right, just like that, and go to settings and privacy. After going to settings privacy, go to accounts, type, and tools. And from this one, just gonna have to click to switch to professional account and switch back to the regular account. So when you switch, it should fix. But if it still doesn't, just go to help and click on report a problem, and from here you're just gonna have to report the issue to the Instagram team. Just write down the issue that you have, which is you want to fix your notes feature. So after that, you're gonna receive an email within 24 to 48 hours for the response. That's how easy it is, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe.